Okay, so I was recording and then it turned out I had my video off, or my audio off, sorry, which was very peculiar. Anyways, so what I ended up doing, the only thing I did was I closed CC, and that's just because when I was looking at it, there just was not enough open interest nor enough volume for me to even really adjust my strikes very much. So I decided it was not worth it to have that trade on anymore. And initially I've been down quite a bit of money in CC, and if I can't adjust and defend, I don't want to be stuck in there. And so figured it was best to get out while going was good. So right now we're actually just looking for some good strikes, some good positions to trade. And let's look at Uber. Let's take a look at the chart. Uber's very bullish. And I suppose I could use some more bullish deltas. And let's look at Twitter. Well, okay, let's consider Uber. I like Uber better than Twitter. But, so if we sell that and do this, that's only going to use $300 of buying power, and I'm going to collect $156. That's nice. So, we'll go ahead and send that through. Uber's pretty liquid. The volume's not great today, but the open interest is very nice. So, very, very nice. Get a nice bullish trade on Uber. And then that'll use up a little bit of my buying power. So, I've still got 6,000 buying power though, so plenty of buying power left. Trust me. Let's adjust this and just see if I can get it filled. Wow. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, cool. IV's nice. Nothing to complain about there. And if Uber goes down, I can always roll to defend. And there's lots of trading in Uber as well, so good stock to trade back and forth in. Let's see, what else are we able to do? I think in terms of management, probably the only other thing to consider would be, let's look at AXP. So this is starting to come in finally. So a little bit of IV came in, not a ton. And that's trading about where? Oh, interesting. So, yeah, the IV came in 109. I'm trying to close it at 107. Let's just see if we can get filled there. So if I can get filled at 109, how wide are these? There's no way I'm getting filled at 109. So I'm just going to put in a closing order for 100 GTC, and that'll come off at some point this week, as long as AXP just kind of hangs out around there. So, and then AT&T, getting another 20 bucks in there. I don't think there's anything, nope, nothing for me to do. SPY. Oh. SPY is not that much for me to manage. We've got this butterfly, which is not making any money. It's just getting me short deltas. So, and then Uber, yeah, just put that on. X is making a tiny bit of money, up a little bit. Nothing for me to adjust here though, so just right at my put strike basically. And we close out CC, so that's all good. So, yep. And then let's pop into my IRA, which is the big winner of the day. And Delta Airlines, woo! So this trade's starting to come in nicely. And let's take a look. Yeah. So are making money on both positions. I'm not going to do anything. There's really nothing for me to manage there. CCL, also making some money. It's up today, 75 cents, that's why. And I'm still a long ways out of the money. But my long, which is at that 20, that's where the money's actually. Let's see. Diamonds is performing very nice as well. So, and I've got a closing order in for 50% of that. We've already had 25% of that trade come in a week though. When did I put this on? 422? Yeah, so in less than a week, you've had this trade come in by 40 bucks. So I might consider closing this. It wouldn't be bad, especially what is Diamonds doing right now? Let's see. Dow is up. Looks like it's on an uptrend. So, and is this 262, 267? So, it wouldn't be bad to take profits and readjust as necessary. So, we'll go ahead and see if that comes off. I'm not concerned if it does. I'm not concerned if it doesn't. IWM, Qs, similar situation with the Qs. And then SPY, of course, I've got my making money in SPY. And Tesla, which is up a lot, actually. Wow. Wow, Tesla's just shooting through the roof. My puts are just minting money there. What am I in Tesla for the year? Up 340. Okay, cool. That's cool. So, yep. So that's all good for my position. Tesla's actually the big driver of the IRA right now. So, and I might just have a strategy of selling puts in Tesla just because I'm bullish on Tesla. Yeah. Wow, look at that. It just shot straight up. And IV is up in Tesla as well. We've got an earnings coming up. Around earnings, I'll probably sell a bullish put for earnings in Tesla. I know, in my IRA, right? Crazy. Anyways. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the day. Not a ton going on. Markets are just slowly grinding higher. And I'm slowly starting to make back the money I lost here. And the money that I'm out in my main account, getting that back to $500. So, yeah. Anyways, well, have a wonderful rest of your day, and may the deltas ever sway in your favor.